Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about the issues or the problems which are faced by the students during the enrollment process of SRM University. Yes guys, the process has been started yesterday and many of the students were fed up with the portal. Many issues were there, many glitches were there. So in this video, I'll be talking about these glitches only and what's the solution for that. And when you have to wait, what will be the response from SRM side, I will tell you each and everything. So I would suggest you to watch the video till the end because this video is not only helpful for the students who are giving enrollment today but also for the students who are giving the enrollment in the upcoming days. So with this I would like to start the video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before starting the video, let me tell you one thing. If you are a developer or willing to start a website, I have one suggestion for you guys. So you can check this amazing web hosting company named Domain Racer. So today I will be telling you one of the plan of web hosting of Domain Racer. So first of all, let me tell you what's the benefit of taking web hosting services from Domain Racer. First of all, light speed technology. Second, pure SSD disk space. Guys, we know how fast is SSD services. Free SSL certificate, secured and 20 times faster service you will get here. Plus include to that cloud plus Unify 360 is also available here. Now let's talk about one of the plan, that is personal plan for web hosting of Domain Racer. It just starts from ₹99. So guys, it is always affordable for each and every category of people. So what's the use of personal web hosting services? What it is suitable for? So it is mostly suitable for the average size website and like professional bloggers or active traffic websites. Now let me tell you the advantages of taking it. First is host a single website, unlimited SSD storage is given here, unlimited email IDs, plus with addition to that unlimited bandwidth plus light speed technology, that's the best part. Premium SEO tool is also given here, plus gift 0.5 tree to earth, that's the one of the best services which is given from Domain Racer. So now guys, let's move to the video. So first of all, let me tell you two things. First of all, the photograph, passport size photograph which should be uploading the dashboard should be of the size less than 50 KB. And talking about the second main part is that the size of the documents which you will be uploading should be less than 200 KB. So remember these two things. Now let's move forward to the questions. First question is file is not uploading or it's taking hell lot of time. Guys, it might be a server lag from SRM side only. Don't worry, it was before yesterday also same issue was there, but as the day was coming to an end in the evening time, these issues were resolved and you will be easily able to upload the documents. Now let's talk about the second point, disappearing of the upload document option. Yes, most of you were telling me like when we relog into the portal, so some of the options are disappearing. So why is this happening? So guys, it might be a glitch. Again, I'm saying it might be a glitch from SRM side only. Don't worry, they will surely rectify this error. Don't worry, many students are facing this issue. But as the day is passing, like near about 4 to 5 p.m., they will surely resolve this issue. One of the major question was 5 subjects and 6 columns were there. Most people were saying that we have to fill the marks of the particular subjects, and you have only 5 subjects, but they are asking about the 6 columns are there. So guys, for that, just leave the first column where their language they are asking. Just leave that. You can leave them empty and start filling from the second column. No issue will be there. I am guaranteeing it. This will surely work. Now let's talk about the affidavit and other declaration form. What should be the format? Most of you are asking like it should be in PDF format or what? No, it should be in JPEG or PNG format. Normal picture click photo should be there. And now let's talk about verification. Like there was a column in that like officer something, officer signature was mentioned there. So guys, no need to fill that part. It's just for SRM site. No need to fill that. Just fill your parents and your details, and wherever the signature is asked, just do that. Nothing else. Now one more thing, you were asking like, do we have to fill the do we have to sign the PL before submitting it? No, you don't have to submit. And most of the time, some of you are saying that PL submitting option is not there.
So guys, yes, they were telling in the email part that you have to submit your PL, but it might not be there. So don't worry if they are not asking, so no need to fill that stuff. Now photo uploading issue. As I told you, the size should be less than 50 KB. The photo which you will be uploading the dashboard. So guys, this issue was faced by the students yesterday also, but in the evening time this issue was resolved. So I guess for you also this issue will be resolved. Registration number. Most of you are asking like what we have to fill in the registration number part while filling the 10th and 12th detail. So guys, as I am sharing a screenshot, clearly it is mentioned in your mark sheet. There will be a mention a call in the above left right corner. Registration number part will be given as you can see on the screen. So simply you have to write that down. And one more thing, while filling the affidavit form, they are asking something like admission number and enrollment number. So I guess simply write your student ID, the number which is given by SRM. Just fill that, or a number starting from 201, something like that should be there. So as you can see on the screen, I am sharing the screenshot. This number will be provided to you. So just fill that one. Now not getting the mail. This was the major issue by many students. Like we are not getting. So guys, don't wait for the mail. Just when your day will come for your enrollment, just check your admission portal, because everything will be mentioned there only. You have to check your admission portal for that, and everything has to be carried out or everything has to be uploaded on your admission portal only. Guys, one more thing, one of the major update came from SRM side, like the email came for the students, those who missed their enrollment process on the particular date given to them. They can upload or they can again sit on the enrollment process on the reserve date, that is 27th and 28th. So guys, don't panic if you have just forgot to attend the enrollment process or you lack in some of the documents. You can fill on the 27th and 28th of August also. So guys, I hope I covered all your queries which you asked me. So with this I would like to end the video. So guys, with this I would like to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any query related to SRM University or these issues which I discussed in the video, directly comment in the comment section or directly ask the questions on our Telegram channel as well as on our Instagram channel. I will try to answer all the questions. But guys, as my semester and exams are going on, so I will not be able to answer at that particular time, but I guarantee you I will try to answer as soon as possible. So that don't just try to call me again and again or just spam the DM section. Just be patient. I will always answer all your queries. So don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. With this, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you guys.